Do you know what is responsible for the driving force of this Lexus GX460 2012? This is what is responsible for the driving force of this engine, the secondary air injection pump. So in this video, I will demonstrate how the secondary air injection pump makes this engine to drive at higher potential via my scan tool. So you will go to engine like this. Okay, so we'll go to special function. Let's wait a minute for it to communicate. You will hear the oozing sound. Once the activation is complete, you will hear the oozing sound from the secondary air injection pump, and the RPM will be increased. I will show you. Okay, so these are all the systems, the special function for the engine and transmission. So we are currently working on secondary air injection system. So go to secondary air injection check like this. So it said, notice the active test required to perform this system check cannot run if the test status is not ready. The test status, of course, is ready. So please select one of the function below, automatic mode. So automatic mode or manual mode, there are two modes in this test. So we'll go to continue. So we select automatic mode because we want the secondary air injection pump to operate automatically. So we'll do it like this. So we have to meet these conditions. Say ignition is on, vehicle is stopped, engine is not running, definitely, and our battery voltage is high. So we'll go to continue. The system will automatically tell us to start the engine. Okay, start the engine. All right, you will hear the oozing sound now. So I'll press continue. All right. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. You hear that oozing sound? So wait for 23 seconds for the check to complete. You are not expected to abort this test lest you will corrupt the ECU. Alright, the test is complete. So press OK. And no DTC found. Alright, so this is how the secondary air injection pump works on this Lexus GX460 2012. That is the force of the engine, not just the air flow meter. You see, this is the air flow meter, but not just the air flow meter. For some other vehicle, it's the air flow meter. But for this car, this secondary air injection pump is very necessary. It's very important. It's more like turbocharger, more like some vehicles that use turbocharger for their drivability. But this one, secondary air injection system. So if you learn anything from this video, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for technical videos like this. Thanks for watching.